Oh my gracious, guys, can you say crazy? It has been a crazy morning, and so it's not even the morning time anymore. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon, and I am just now getting to read you a story, but I am so happy that I get to read you one today because today is a guessing book, and if you would like to play along with the guessing book, then please go ahead and do so. There are some clues, some adjectives, some describing words that are going to give you hints as to what the something is. And if you get it right, woohoo! If not, that's okay, man, because guess what? Today is an odd day. So here we go. This book is called Who Likes Rain? Now, sweet loves, I would like for you to look at that AI because that is the AI, and when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, so the A says A. That is that other time when A is made by two letters, A-I and A-Y. So, Who Likes Rain? This is written and illustrated by Wong, Herbert, Yi. And I love how the illustrations are done in this book. It almost looks like it's kind of a pencil, like a colored pencil. Pit, pit, pit on the window pane. Down, down, down come the drops of rain. Who wants rain? Who needs April showers? I know who. What rhymes with showers that would also need the rain? Got something inside your brain? All right, let's see. The trees and flowers. Raindrops falling down in spring hit the awning. Ping, ping, ping. When it rains, who's the first to scat? I know, do you? Mew, mew. There's a clue. What is it? It's the cat. Gurgle, gurgle down the gutters, out the spout, the water sputters. This book is full of amazing sound words and adjectives, those describing words. Can't you just hear the water going down the gutter and it's going... Love it. Just wish we would get some rain in the desert. Who likes rain? Not Papa's old truck. Who likes rain? Quack, quack. You know that sound. It's a duck. Pitty, plip, plop, pitty, pat, splat. I can catch raindrops in my hat. Good job. What two words rhymed on that book, or on that page? Excuse me. Hat and splat. When it rains, who comes out to squirm? I know, do you? Creep, creep. It's a worm. I remember back in Texas when it would rain at my G-mom's house and those earthworms would come crawling across the sidewalk. It was so neat to see them like slinking with their little body segments. Raindrops beat like a tom-tom drum on my umbrella, rum-a-tum-tum. Who likes rain? Not my neighbor's dog. Who likes rain? Do you like that? That's my impression. It's a frog. A wind comes whooshing through the trees. It shakes the raindrops from the leaves. This book is full of them. Who likes rain? It jumps with a splish. I know, do you? Glub, glub. What goes splish? It's a fish. After a while, the showers stop. A few last drops fall, plip, plip, plop. Clouds break up, no need to huddle. All that's left is... What's all that's left? Ooh, I bet it would rhyme with huddle. In a rhyming word, that first sound changes, the ending sound stays the same. What would rhyme with huddle? A big puddle. Who likes rain even more than a duck? More than a frog in the muckety muck? Who needs rain besides trees and flowers? Who wants a day with April showers? Off comes the raincoat, boots and hat. Who likes rain? I do. Splat. The end. Now guys, I hoped that you enjoyed this book today. Definitely worked on some rhyming words with it and those adjectives, those describing words. It also had some guessing in it that you had to listen to the sound word to figure out what came next. Sweet guys, I hope that you have a great rest of your Monday. I look forward to reading a book with you tomorrow, hopefully in the morning time. Let's work on that. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up because that means that more kiddos can listen to this story, which is always a good thing, especially right now. So guys, I look forward to tomorrow and I'll see you then. Bye, dear ones.